Hello everyone, today we show you guys how to make a new paper airplane, the Trojan, the spy plane. This paper airplane is designed by Origami, Air Enforcer and me, and I really like to share it with you guys. This one has a very unique fall and it's fly very well, and I believe you guys will love it. So let's make it now. To make the Trojan, you need the printing paper. You can use either your letter size, or you can use an A4 paper. A4 paper will work very well with this paper airplane. Okay, so first step, I will fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper, and then I fold it in half again vertically. Then unfold the paper again. Now I start from this edge here, fold it to the center crease. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Very simple. And I will turn the paper this way to show you how to fold the next step. And you can see I use all of my hands to fold the paper in four. And you can see this part here. Okay, we'll create a crease here, then just fold it to left side and fold it to the right side. Okay. And then you can fold this layer to the table, and also the other side, and you can push this triangle shape down. This is pretty good. And now I can fold the whole big triangle shape here down to the bottom, and I can use the center crease as my preference. Okay, and I would turn the paper this way to show you the next step. And you remember that we have a triangle shape up here, and I just fold it up. I just leave it here. Okay, next step, I start from the top here and fold it to the center crease. And then repeat the same step for the other side. On the following step, unfold the paper here, also for this side. And now I start from this edge and fold it to the crease, which is me. And as you know, I will repeat the same fold for the other side. And now I will insert this corner, and when you unfold the triangle shape here, you see that you have a pocket there. Just insert the whole thing to the pocket, and I will repeat the same step for the other side. Turn the paper this way, start from this edge, fold it to the crease here, and I insert the whole thing here into the pocket. So the reason why we create the pocket, because this will hold the paper stronger, and this will make the body of the plane more stable. This is a very unique fold. I really like that. And I just fold the paper in half like this. You can see that. And next step, I will estimate about half an inch or quarter of an inch from this tip here along this edge, and I will just fold straight to this corner here to create the wings. half an inch is fine too. It's pretty strong on the top here. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Now this should be easier because I can just use this edge, and this edge is my preference for. This looks very nice. The following step, I will create the stabilizer. All you need to do is just estimate about half an inch along this edge and just fold this side up. Even more than half an inch is fine. And repeat the same step for the other side. Unfold the papers, unfold the stabilizer, and you can keep the stabilizers toward the center body, like this. And now you can check it out. And if you like this paper appliance, give the video a thumb up, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel if you have not done so. Also, leave me feedback on this paper airplane, and you can look down for the link of my friend who created this plan with me. So finally, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.